Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. I have my friend here, Red. Don't worry about him, he's a bully. Today, I'm on abroad on... yes, very far away. Now this is my friend, Yung. Pagkuhan eh.
Dili ako kunot.
Nangawat siya butong. Taga Philippines ko guys. Well, vlog me. Nagunsa man kadira, Red. Red, nagunsa kadira. Ay, sus. Red.
Uy!
Daras Napoleon. Daras Napoleon. Darang butong. Ay, si Red kay nagon sa butong. Ngayon, din si Red naguba sa butong. Ay!
Yes, si Zach.
Ay!